Did you know that many bar owners do not actually own the pool tables and foosball and dart machines that are in their bar? That's where people come in with their own business to make money to help out these bar owners. So I'm part of the party rental business, and I go to a lot of conferences and I meet people and I ask them what other things they do for money. And I met one guy who says he basically rents out bar equipment, pool tables, dart machines, foosball, arcades and things to these bar owners who don't necessarily want to spend all that money on these machines, but they want them because what it does is it keeps foot traffic high, keeps people in the bar for longer, which then they order more food, get more drinks, and people just, while they're having fun, they're gonna stay and spend money at the bar. So he comes in and he says, hey, I'm gonna place a pool table, a foosball table. If you got room, I'm gonna place a golden tee. If you have more room, I might place some arcades, and we're gonna do a 50-50 split. So he, every week, goes and picks up the money from these, and then he gives 50% of that to the bar owner. He said he makes several $1,000s per week just from doing this. Now, obviously, this is not cheap to do. These machines cost a lot of money. Also, there's a dying art of who can fix these. So you got to get really good at fixing these, because if a machine is down, you're out money, the bar owner's out money, and it's just taking up space. If I were doing this, my favorite one is called Ice Cold Beer. It's a vintage game. There's a company that remade it, and it's this vertical mechanical arcade thing where you lift balls into holes. I really love this game, and I want a whole bunch of these to put into bars, but I don't know if it would do as well as a pool table and darts and foosball. But if you go on Reddit, there's a lot of people talking about this. There's a lot of people doing this. Like I said, you just got to think about it. When someone opens a bar, it's a lot of money and everything else. They don't necessarily have the funds to buy their own pool tables and all these other machines. So that's where you come in, and you can make money a fun way. And if the bar owner ever decides to buy their own pool table, you can just take yours out and then find another bar where it can go in. There's an endless supply of bars. This is a cool niche idea where you're not gonna have a lot of competition because other people are not thinking about this.